Welcome to InCabin from the creators of AutoSense. InCabin connects the global community of automotive interior specialists working on in-cabin safety, comfort, and productivity solutions through industry-leading events and knowledge sharing. We are joined by two industry experts this time around, Steffen Haefele, Managing Director for Business Development at Rheinmetall Dermalog SensorTec, and Tim Henderson, Product Marketing Engineer for the body and chassis radar business at Texas Instruments. Gentlemen, welcome to both of you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Carl.
Thank you
Looking
for having
forward
us.
to our talk today.
Yeah, indeed. Tim, let's start with you. So tell us more about this partnership and this collaboration between TI and Rheinmetall. Can you tell us a little more and elaborate on the partnership?
Sure. Yeah. So we started intensifying our relationship with Rheinmetall from the TI side at the beginning of this year with the launch of our new TI radar chip family, the AWRL 6844. This family of devices is really emphasized on replacing existing sensors in the vehicle and reducing ultimate system costs to the OEMs. And providing a seamless in-cabin experience for the end users and the passengers in the vehicle. Um, and this combined with Rheinmetall's sensor fusion capabilities with camera algorithms that they already have experience with, it plays out very well with the two technologies and how they complement each other.
Yeah, absolutely. Well said, Tim. Stefan, let's get your perspective on this. So tell us more, give us more insight as far as the results so far of this cooperation and this partnership between you and TI.
Sure. I mean, everything is still quite new, but from what we have seen is actually the results are very promising. And what plays in really well in our hands is actually that we are active in the domain of sensor fusion, combining the radar and the camera for a few years now. So we've collected quite a bit know-how. And now we are very delighted actually to experience as one of the first ones actually the strong capabilities of the new TI chip family. So the first common studies actually showed that required functionalities, for instance, out of position, legs on dashboard, are all covered very reliably and enabling actually to fulfill all NCAP regulations that are going to come up. So this is great, and we're very happy about the common work. And now we're actually collaborating jointly with OEMs on those functionalities. And first results really look good. Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic to hear, Stefan. Tim, we'll turn back to you this time around. What stands out here when we're talking about the fusion, using a fusion of camera and radar? Why is that important?
Yeah, I'm really excited for it because it's the combination of these two sensors really allows us to fulfill a lot of these NCAP regulations, like Stefan was mentioning. There's NCAP 2026 and in the future 2029 for occupant monitoring. There's current regulations already out there for child presence detection. So being able to really allow OEMs to fulfill all those requirements and then additionally add those additional comfort functionalities and less disruptions to the passengers. That with less sensors in the vehicle makes it a more commercially attractive option for OEMs at the end of the day. And then there's also, different functional safety levels that this type of solution can achieve for the end OEMs, which is always important for them. With us, our radar chip, it allows a small form factor and can fit inside the vehicle, and the processing on the SoC allows for a robust point cloud, and then knowing how to do the fusion of that with the camera data that we're getting as well really completes the set and creates a good capable solution.
Yeah, well said, Tim. And you have this promising partnership here between TI and Rheinmetall. Together, you're delivering real world solutions that provide real true value for OEMs and for the automotive industry. You've chosen to be part of InCabin in Europe, InCabin Europe 2025 in Barcelona, October 7th through the 9th. So, why have you decided to join our event this year in 2025?
Yeah, we're participating actually in Cabin for a few years now. It's a small but growing actually community. It's a very tech-oriented community, and by now it actually feels much more like meeting old friends and colleagues. So this is really great. Also, it's a great place to meet customers, partners, and also to see where the market and the competition is actually moving towards to. So it's always nice to measure with our competitors, partners, and so on to see what have been the latest developments. So we're really looking forward to the event.
Yeah, well said, Stefan. Looking forward to having you. Tim, anything to add to that, my friend?
Yeah, I'll echo everything that Stefan said. You know, being able to talk to the OEMs, all the suppliers, even the regulators as well, and understanding what everybody's viewing as the trends that they see in the market. You know, we mentioned this in-cabin space and the in-cabin sensing space is really growing, and it's very quite new. So, you know, it's really exciting to see what the future holds as we go through this year by year.
Yeah, absolutely. The community is growing. And as Stefan said, it's like seeing old friends at this point. And we're happy that both of you, gentlemen, and your colleagues and your companies are part of it. We've been speaking with Steffen Haefele, Managing Director for Business Development at Rheinmetall Dermalog SensorTec, and Tim Henderson, Product Marketing Engineer for the Body and Chassis Radar Business at Texas Instruments. Again, looking forward to seeing both of you in person in Barcelona for InCabin Europe 2025, October 7th through the 9th. But until then, gentlemen, thank you for being with us, at least virtually anyway, today.
Thank you so much, Carl. And one important note to finish off, we're also going to hold a common roundtable. So please stop by, have a discussion, reach out to us. We'd be happy to talk to you.
For more information on Rheinmetall Dermalog SensorTec and Texas Instruments, see the links in the description. And to find out more about our upcoming events, visit InCabin.com. That's InCabin.com. And for more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow InCabin on LinkedIn. In Detroit, on behalf of InCabin, I'm Carl Anthony.